Hello folks, this is the quick review of my camera mount for an FPV plane. Everything is cut off from the PCB plate, sticking on a super glue. So as long as this axis is a dead center of a camera, so you don't need much of a torque for the servo to get it rotated. That's a Carnegie 19-gram servo. The frame screwed in on the plywood with the small screws, and it's anchored with a 3mm carbon rod into the foam. There's a little FPV camera mount. I will stick on a Velcro. This is it.